Sis, before casting and binding, you have to do the needful, okay? You have to take care of your punani area. You have to take care, you have to level up your vjay area. It is very, very important to don't let anybody lie to you, okay? I am bringing it. This is a good news I am bringing for you in this new era, okay? No man is settling for, I know how to clean a house, I know how to, keep a house. Like, this is one of it. This is the most cocoa gongo, all right? This is the cocoa of the matter. If your vjay is not welcoming, your vjay is not, see, don't wait till side chick take over your husband. Side chick knows all these things better than you. That is why your man keep going back to side chick, and when the side chick now uses the good part of him, they will now bring their jeku back to you in the house. You will now be yayad for house. You'll be thinking you are the number one. Stop fooling yourself, okay? Take good care of yourself. Spend money on yourself. Don't just spend money on here alone, okay? Like, seriously, babe are not joking now. Like, babes, they are not joking. So don't just sit down be doing spirit cocoa at home. That one cannot help you. We're gonna the days whereby people will be ashamed of telling you to improve your sex life, to have sex education, to know about all these things. People are ashamed to say it out or to discuss it. Like I'm telling you, I know a lot of people will abuse me in the comment section, but I really don't care, okay? Criticize like you always do, but I know you are the first person that will slide into my DM. Good morning, ma, please, I need you this product, I need this product. I will just laugh, okay? Welcome back to another video. If today is your first time tuning in, hi, my name is Olajumoke. I'm a Nigerian YouTuber based in Ibadan. It has been long that I uploaded video on this channel. I know that already, but please forgive me. I am very, very busy, okay? There are some other things that needed my attention, so and I have to give it 100%. But you guys, you matter to me a lot, though there's no time, but I just have to create time for you guys, to bring to you what can actually solve a problem, help your life and all that good stuff. All right, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you what to use to make your vjay taste sweet, okay? Before I dive into the video, I want to tell you guys to please go support me on my vlog channel. My vlog channel link will be in the description box, and also the name of my vlog channel will be right on the screen. Guys, make sure to go support your girl because I need your support. I need you to support the channel to grow, okay? So I need your support, guys. Please go support your girl. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you and telling you what to do to make your vjay actually taste very good, okay? I know a lot of people will be saying, oh, vjay does not keep a man. Sis, let me tell you, trust me, vjay is one of those things that actually keep a man. Don't get it twisted. Don't let anybody lie to you. All these motivational speakers here, when they go indoor with their partner, they don't actually practice what they preach. Sorry, I'm not here to judge anybody, okay? But trust me, I need to tell you the truth, okay? I'm actually sorry about the background noise. There's a church beside my house, and there's a service today, being a Good Friday. So I know a lot of people has been judging me in the comment section, saying negative things about DIY that I put out there, what to do to make your vjay taste good, what to do to level up your relationship, what you can do to level up your love life. Most people has been criticizing me in the comment section, and trust me, all those people that are saying negative things about what I'm telling you guys are the first set of people that always slide into my DM to order Kayanmata products. So how cool is that, guys? But anyways, we move, okay? I will not stop telling you, to level up your love life, your relationship, your marriage, you just have to keep, spicing up. I keep telling you this. Spice up your relationship. Spice up your love life. It is very, very important. And what you have to do is to take care of your VJ area. All these things I'm telling you, you just have to do it. If you don't know how to do it, let me just tell you, there are a lot of girls who know how to cook, who know how to clean a house, who know how to arrange house, who know how to massage men ego, and still see their man still dey cheat. Oh, their cheating is on 100%, like 100% risk. Okay, but if you try all these things, I'm telling you, when something is 100% and you reduce the risk to like 30%, I think you have done your best in your own part. So please start spicing up your relationship, make your video taste good. I'm going to be showing you a product. This is called bonding gel, guys. Bonding gel. Do you know that to some ladies that has problem with dryness, that has problem with when their man is into them, they don't have this bond, like this bond, everything, like we feel so sagged, and your body here is not always in the mood. Okay, this will actually put you in check. This will actually manage your life for you. This will actually manage your relationship for you. If you fall into the category that you are suffering from dryness, you don't have this bonding, your man does not stay glued. Like when you are into your man, you are not glued to your man, and when anything is going in and out, you're not feeling anything. See, sis, I got your back. This product will actually work for you. This is called a bonding gel. Okay, a bonding gel. Okay, this is how it is. See, this product, guys, it is 100% organic. It is 100% safe. Okay, what you have to do is to insert it in your VJ area. It is a sweetener, but in another level. I know you know what I mean. Okay, you go in, go out, go in, go out. Everything will not be stocked. You won't be crying for dryness. You won't be crying for bonding. Do you know, I hope you understand what I mean. As a lady, you need all these things in your life. Spice up your VJ area so that your man can spend on you. Your man can stay glued to you. So don't get it twisted, guys. This product I just showed you, see, it has a very wonderful smell. Like when you insert it, and your man coming to you, like he will be asking you, what has changed? He will know that something has actually changed. Like he will know. It will actually stay glued to you. Like the percentage of how he's going outside will actually reduce, and that is what we are talking about. That is what we want to achieve. Okay, for my subscribers, just slide into my DM or send a message to me on my WhatsApp number, and trust me, you get this product for shikini money. Okay, try it and you are going to thank me later. I'm going to be bringing product to you one by one in order to help you solve one or two problems in your love life. And trust me, when you get this product, your story will never remain the same again. Okay, like I told you earlier, this is a form of sweetener, but this is like an insertion. Okay, but when you are doing it, make sure your hand is clean. I mean, your finger is clean before you can use your hand to insert this product in your VJ area. But what I advise people is to get a syringe. Like, syringe is always sterilized. You will get one and be using it for, you will use it to pull out a little bit and insert it into your VJ area. Okay, this will actually help you. Trust me, if you're having a problem with your man, try this product out, and trust me, you are going to thank me later. Okay, So we've come to the end of this video. I hope this video is actually helpful to those who have ears. Okay, to those who actually have ears, I hope this video is helpful. I hope you enjoy watching this video. If you do, please make sure to thumbs up this video, subscribe to my channel if you have not, and share this video because someone else might need it. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe to my vlog channel. And if you want to purchase this product, I'll put my WhatsApp number in the description box, as well as my Kayanmata business page on Instagram will be in the description box below. Go there, send me a DM, tell me what your issues are. Trust me, and to the glory of God, you will have a new song because your story will never remain the same again.